Hey, if you want to use Paysafecard with your PS5 Slim, first of all you have to go into the settings, then go to the users and accounts, select account, here go to the payment and subscription, go to the add funds and select Paysafecard. Here pick the amount that you want to add to your wallet, click continue, click OK. Now from here you've got this payment results, and here you've got the payment with the Paysafecard. So first of all, you can input the 16-digit code. When you click with the X, you can navigate with the sticks and click X to open this tab. Here when you click with the X one more time, you can open this keyboard and input the code and click R2 to confirm. And here you have to also accept this stuff, and then you will have to click to get for this payment. But below we can also add the payment with your My Paysafe account. So from here you can log in to your account and then follow on-screen instructions. And below you can also get the payment with the scan to pay. So that's this application where you have to actually scan the QR code and also follow on-screen instructions. And that's basically it. Below we can also change the language if you want. So we can switch like to the English, for example. Okay, there is no English in my case. I mean, we have to change the country, so that's not the language. But when you go to the United States, and if you refresh the list like this, if you have this error, I have video on my channel where I'm showing you how to fix it. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.